Hello again everybody, welcome back to another video for the Razor Company. I'm the Shaving Cyclist here on YouTube and Instagram. Let's get started. So today we've got something special to my den. It's Found Cherry. It's an exclusive collaboration between Highland Spring Soap Company and the Razor Company. And it's a black cherry, tonka bean, and almond scent. It's very, very nice. I also pick up a little bit of oud in there when it's on the face. So we are going to use my Trotter handcrafted custom brush. It's a nice badger brush. It'll end up fanning out, but this brush is really, really nice. So it's been a hot minute since I've seen everybody. I hope you're doing well. All your shaves are as expected, nice and smooth. Just doing my morning shave, just got out of a hot shower, feeling good, ready to tackle the day. Excited for today. Today's my team breakfast day, which I do monthly, so for my team, and we have some people that we invited today too from another department, and it's blueberry pancakes and sausage day, so always a good time. So all right, let's see, I think we're almost there on the brush load. Yeah, I think we're there. Let's get some of that frothy goodness in there, and you can see that it's loaded up very, very nicely. So just gonna spray the face down with my bougie water. I chose this scent today. It's October 26th, and it's kind of a dreary day where I live, just kind of nasty, and so I decided that this would be a good day for it. I needed something to brighten up my day, and this is kind of a brighter scent. Not extremely bright, but all right, there we go. Hang on just a second. All right, let's get started. And the scent on the face is very nice. I'd say the scent strength on this is probably like a 6-ish, 6, 7, somewhere in that area. I used it yesterday. And it got a little more significant over time, so. All right, let's wet the face down just a little bit more. So when you have an opportunity while you're watching the video, if you do Jason a favor and myself, make sure that you hit the like button on the video. Also make sure that you're smashing that subscription button so that you can hit your notification bell up in the corner so you get notified when we get quality content coming out from the Razor Company. I know Jason would really appreciate it, so. Okay. Just rinse the hands off here a little bit. So for today's razor, we're going with Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements LaCriatura. It's the razor's about $27-ish, I think. $26.95, something like that. So it's a slanted, double slant open comb. So it's going to be a little bit more on the efficiency or aggressive side. I've got a third use feather blade in there, and you can see, hopefully you can see that there's quite a bit of overhang to be aware of, so you're going to want to make sure that you're taking it easy around your nose. So very efficient. It's a very light razor, so your tendency is going to be to want to press into your skin. I would caution you against that for obvious reasons. Let's see right there. And with the double slant, you just put it to your face like you would any normal DE razor. It works like a scythe, right? So you're like taking a slicing motion out of it, like that, on an angle. And I could feel the overhang here just a little bit on my nose. I didn't cut it, thankfully. Normally I shave with a straight razor, but today I decided to do something different, so that was a good first pass. Neck is always a challenge, but that's the way it goes sometimes. All right, dry the hands off. So when I last saw everyone, I was training for an event that was just this past weekend, and it's called the Hilly 100 in Indiana, Evanston, I believe. I decided against doing that. Had some things come up with a friend of mine, and wanted to be around to support him, my riding partner. So we changed it up a little bit and shifted the goal to climbing 5,000 feet virtually. And to do that, I used a training platform called Zwift, Z-W-I-F-T. If you're into cycling or running, it's really kind of a cool thing. It's got different worlds like Watopia, France, the Alps, England, United States. It's really, really cool. Anyway, so the climb I did is called Alpe de Zwift, which is a replica of Alpe d'Huez in France, which is frequently used during the tour. And it was a bugger. I climbed it twice. Super fun. If you're into knocking yourself out. The soap is very slick. It's very nice. All right, let's see, what are we doing here? There we go. I climbed the climbed the route the first time in 87 minutes. No, 83, sorry about that. So it was a nice easy pace. Second time around I was quite a bit slower. Did that one in 104 minutes, which is like, what is that, an hour and 44 minutes. I was really, really tired. So my overall climb for the day was 6,800 feet, so really proud of that accomplishment. This is just mowing through the hair. Or whiskers, pardon me. And now we're basically at the end of my season. So from here on, I basically just kind of chill out for a number of months. And just kind of take it easy. Do some different things. November I'll be on an erg rower for something called Rovember, where the goal is to row on an indoor rower every day of the month. And I'm sure I'll miss a couple of days, but that's not a big deal. Gives me a nice break from sitting on a bike saddle for a long period of time. Give my hips a chance to relax. And then coming up in December, we'll get back at it. Shaving with the DE feels so foreign right now to me. Like I said, normally I straight razor shave. But every once in a while you gotta change it up just to remind yourself. For whatever reason this morning, I seem to be missing a little bit. Got a little bit of a weeper. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're going to do over the winter to stay fit. It's always interesting to me what people do. Boy, I really got myself on that one. Must have had a blemish. And I think I just got myself right there too. All right. Before things get out of hand, let's rinse off. All right, just get a generic towel. And I didn't mention this prior, but the soap itself at the razor company at the time, at the time of doing this video is $19.99 for 4 ounces, and the aftershave splash, which is just right over here, pardon me, is $17.99. Give that a good shake. Put some in the hand. So again, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel here at the Razor Company. Also take a look at my stuff over on YouTube and Instagram, at the Shaving Cyclist on Instagram. That was a great shave, everybody. Have a great day. See you later. Bye-bye.